Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your walk in Trust and Press game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to change your walk, you just need to go to this pose menu and then you're going to click on this icon to access the walk pack, and then you're going to select the walk from the walk pack that you want to apply. For example, now I'm using the fresh pack, the walk from the fresh pack, and this is how the walk looks like, and I'm going to change it. I'm going to use the walk from the phrasing pack, and the walk is look like this. And again, I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna use the walk from the ice skating pack. Okay, let me apply it. And this is the ice skating walk. If you want to remove it or unapply it, just go back to the walk pack menu and select the walk. Unequip the walk. Okay guys, and that's how you can change your walk in Trust and Press game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!